Hello everyone, welcome to Monday. This is the 50th video that we have done. We've done one every single trading day that the market's been open since the 22nd of March. And it happens to be that that was the day before the lowest point for the year. So we've had a pretty nice recovery throughout these videos. Maybe we better keep them going. I also want to thank everybody very much for all of your kind words. It really means a lot to me and it keeps me going. So just when we think we can't get any worse, we now have these protests and all these things going on, and yet today was an up day. Matter of fact, it was a pretty good up day. A lot of good follow through. Last week was decent. A lot of questions about the disconnect between the market and all the things that are happening. One thing to understand about the market is that it's a forward-looking mechanism for the most part. I'd say 75%, give or take, of the movement of the market has to do what is expected to happen in the future. I think for a large portion of what's happened, they're discounting what's happening in 2020, expecting the government to kind of replace that money, and the focus is on 2021 and 2022. So the analysts have pretty high expectations for earnings in those 2 years. And so the market is looking at that and responding to that. Now, those analysts could be wrong. And that's where the other 25% comes in. When they're wrong, obviously something more current happens, then there will be an adjustment to the price. But it is important to understand how far forward the market is looking to try to figure out where to put money and how to invest. And that's why you can see a disconnect sometimes between current and future. And so looking at current to see how that might impact the future. How do these protests impact 2021, 2022, those types of things. And so that's where we're at right now. I'm expecting to see some more follow through to the upside as far as I can tell here, at least in the short term. And so thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to talking to you tomorrow. Thank you.